chocolate, cream, and a hidden toy, all sealed inside one tiny egg. But how do these machines fill, assemble, and wrap millions of them without a single mistake? From liquid chocolate to the plastic capsule to the final foil seal, every step is automated with breathtaking precision. Let's get inside the factory and find out.
Every single day, millions of Kinder Joy eggs leave this factory and reach children in over 100 countries. But how does a humble cocoa bean harvested by hand bring it back another 10 feet. Watch the edge there. me on the latest run, Victor.
They're holding firm. The temperature is right where it needs to be. Viscosity reading is stable at 3.5 pascal seconds.
Good. The texture profile looks consistent with the golden batch.
Temperature looks good on the readout.
And the seals are tight, very consistent.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.